I took two FTMO challenge. I mean FTMO challenge, and I just passed them. Like I just passed the challenge. Like the two challenge have been what have been passed. Yes, they have been passed. They have been passed. And I just took this thing just within 48 hours. Yes, the first one I started the challenge today. The second one I started the challenge day before yesterday. Yeah, so and the two challenge have been met. There's another one that I started just recently. That one is it's about to get to my target. Let me show you that right now. This is the second one. We can see the figure here. Just check the balance. The balance for this one is 9,938. But if I close everything right now, I'll be left with what 11,300 or 340 something. Even right now it's going to be 11,004 something. But this is going to be the real equity, and we know for FTM all you need to pass is you just need to meet up with 10%. Yes, 10% of the trading account. So this is the second account right here. Let me show us the third account. Yeah, this is the third account. I can see right here. You can see that the balance for this one is 9,998, which means I did not have any losing trade on this one. Like I didn't lose any trade on this one. I didn't lose any trade on this one. Yeah. And if you check the dates here, that is June 15. You can see that's June 15, right? That's June 15. You can check my trades right here. You can check my trade. You can see the dates. You can see the date that it's June 15. Like it's June 15. So you can see the three accounts. Two accounts have been passed, and this is the other one running. So how did I go about this thing? What is what's up about this platform? What do they really represent? How can you actually start using them? So those are the things I'm going to explain, and also the strategy, the trading strategy that the trade that I took, all these trades that I took, the strategy that I used to enter them. Everything is going to be revealed in this video. So I just wanted to take your time and watch this, especially if you want to advance your trade. If you have a trading strategy that is working for you, and the problem you're having is just big accounts. So what you need right now is to watch this video and see how you can actually get big accounts that way. Like you can trade with thousands of dollars of accounts, just like this one. Yes, how you can trade with thousands of dollars of accounts. Yes, what you have to do, this is real, right? This is real. So you know that I'm legit. I'm a child of God. I cannot give you anything fake by the special grace of God. So, and again, it's not by force. So let me clarify that, because many of my mentees, this is what they are using to trade. This is what they are using to advance themselves. You cannot. It's not. How much will you make with your $100, $50, $20? Those are nothing. Yeah, like when are you going to use a good loss size for you to actually better your life? So it's not about you just trading, you knowing how to trade. This is a strategy to actually advance you. This is a strategy to advance you. This is strategy this is a way to advance your trade. Yeah. So just stay tuned, guys. Let me walk you through everything. Hello guys, yeah, this trade you are seeing now, I want to use this trade to pass FTMO challenge. This is a fresh FTMO challenge right here, because this account is very fresh. You can see this is this big equity, just 10,000. Yes, that's the minimum amount for FTMO challenge. And if you check here, you can see the balance is 10,000. Yes, it's very fresh. And I want to use this one trade to pass this challenge. So let's see how it's going to go. I'm going to add like 2 or 3 more positions, so after which we are going to see how the trade is going to go. Maybe I'm going to pass it with this trade, or with only one trade, maybe I'm going to blow it up. But let's see what is going to happen. Just stay tuned, guys. Yeah, and the reason I want to show us is that on this channel we don't trade anything less than 100 pips. That means if you're able to catch 100 pips easily, then all this challenge, all this FTMO, all this proprietary firms challenge should not be a problem for us. So that is why I'm making this video, and I want to show us how I can easily 13491. How I can easily pass it with only one trade. Oh, sorry, what did I just check now? What did I check just now? 134,910. The reason why I'm able to open trade like this is because I have my confidence. So don't just copy me. Don't just do what I do in this kind of situation. Don't do what I do. Yes, you can only do what I do if you are part of my if you are my mentee. We actually understand the reason why we are taking this trade, and the reason why we have full confidence on this trade right now, because it's not all trades that we take like this, but there are some trades that when we see them, we just take them like the one you are seeing. So there are some trades that when we see them like this, we take them with full confidence. With full confidence. And for those of you that are on my WhatsApp group and my Telegram channel, I dropped this trade earlier. I dropped this thing earlier. I dropped this trade setup earlier on the Telegram and also on the WhatsApp. This is the WhatsApp group. You can see I dropped, okay, it's not this one, yeah, this is it. So I dropped the trade setup earlier, even before it's played out. I dropped it earlier, yes, and I put the I put this free money to you all, because I know it's just a free money. Yes, once I tell you it's free money, it's free money, but that doesn't mean we are the one that, that doesn't mean you have to go with full risk. No. You still have to consider other factors. This is the Telegram group, and I also sent it on the Telegram group, free money to you all. It's because I know it's free money, and it's the same thing I want to use to pass the FTMO challenge. For those of you that don't know about FTMO, yeah, FTMO is this firm that will give you money to trade if you are a profitable trader. If you are not a profitable trader, please don't even try it. It's going to be risky. You are just going to be paying them. when I tell you are going to be paying them, I mean you are just going to be paying them. So it's only meant for people that are already profitable. Yeah. So if you're already profitable, it may not go back to that space. So I just want to add more position. So if you're already a profitable trader, then you should feel free to register with FTMO. Their link is going to be dropped on this on the description or on the comment section. I'm going to pin it on this comment section, so that when you register with them, you can, that is the exact way to actually make it big in trade. It's not your $100, your $50 account that will help you to make it big. Once you're able to have a little amount that will help you, register, to be able to register, then they are going to give you a big account to trade with. Just like now, this $10,000 account, you are seeing now, you use this to register. So when you register with 155 euro, so when you register with 155 euro, it's going to give you $10,000 account. That is what your normal account, your normal trading account will not buy, and that is the one I'm using to test on this platform right now. So when you get the account, these are the challenge that is there. Trading period is 30 days, and the minimum trading days before you can withdraw is 10 days. At least you must have traded 10 times, not like 10 days in a row, like 10 times. You must have traded 10 times, and in a day you should not lose more than $500. You should not lose more than $500 in a day. If you do that, your account will be terminated and your money is gone. And the maximum loss, like overall loss, your overall loss is 10%. You should not hit this maximum loss. Don't hit this maximum loss. And your profit target is what? Is just 10%. Your profit target is, so that's trade that I'm on. I'm expecting this as my target. At least if I didn't get this, I should get half of this. At least I should be very close to the target with that one trade. And once you pass this target, you hit your profit target, they will refund your money back to you. So after they refund your money back to you, you'll be having the profits to yourself. And their profit share is, no matter the amount you get, their profit share is close to 95% as you grow from 80 to 90 to 95, just like that. So, and once you pass the first phase, they will refund your money. Then you will step to the second stage, and when you step to the second stage, the challenges that are there reduced. The trading days are increased to 60 days, and all these ones you will now achieve them without paying them anything, and your profit target is not even faster than how it was. And they say refundable fee is free, because at this stage you didn't pay for this stage, and you still make your money and make withdrawals, and from there you go to your become their professional trader without paying them anything. The first money you deposited, when you pass it the first time, you get your return. They refund you. They refund your money. As you can see here, refundable fee. Each one is free. So from step one, you only pay for the first one. Once you pass the first one, the step one, they will refund your money back to you. That is why you should not be just ordinary trader. You should not be ordinary trader before you take this challenge, and you move to step 2. You've already gotten your money, so here you have nothing to lose at this level. But even with that, you are still expected to make more money. To make more money. And if you know you are very good, you can move to what? You can move to this account. The more the account you go for, the more your income. And if you are an aggressive trader, you can click on aggressive trader. Traders have different requirements to meet. Yes, they have different requirements to meet. Their trading day is the same. Their trading day is the same. Their trading period stay the same. But if you check their maximum daily loss, is 1,000, which is still the same. Maximum loss is 2,000, which is the same. But their profit target is what? Their profit target is $2,000. Their profit target is $2,000 compared to the one. Okay, sorry. Yeah. Compared to the one that is normal. Okay, for normal, the minimum is 500. While for aggressive, the minimum daily loss is 1,000. So for profit target for normal is 500, but for the other one is 2,000 for maximum loss, and profit target is 2,000, and we have different fee Yes, we have different fee, but the advantage of going for aggressive will be that when you move to step 2, you have bigger accounts to go to operate with. You have bigger accounts to operate with, and so many things to benefit from this challenge. And when you keep on doing that, before you know it, your trading accounts will be up to this level, because the more you move, the more you gain more level. So you have the ability to trade $100,000 accounts. You have the ability to trade up to 100,000, and this one up to $200,000 accounts. The more you are profitable, the more profitable you are, the higher you go. So this is why you are seeing this like this. This is why you are seeing this like this. And this is not the first account I opened with them. This is not the first account I opened with them. I have another account with them that I just passed. I have to pause it right now, sir. I passed the other account with just this trade you are seeing here, this GBP trade. Yes, this trade that I entered made me to pass the other account and this other trade. So the advantage of being a subscriber of this platform, of this YouTube channel, is because when you enroll to my premium mentorship, you will have the ability to trade like this and catch big pips. And FTMO is not the only platform that we use. We also have some reliable platforms that we use, and we are going to tell you which one to join. We are going to put you through which one to join, which one that will be suitable for our trading strategy. When you should join, you should not just join them anyhow. When you should join, we have time that we target. Once that time hits, all of us pull into the stuff, and we cash out cool money. So that is how it is. So if you want to join, just let's get into my DM. And if you already have your trading strategy, everything is good for you. Just the money that is giving you the shortcomings, so just enroll right now with the link that is going to be provided. So let's see what the outcome of the trade will be. We can see that the trade is still going against us, even with this big lot size. Big positions. Just see our loss here, just $25, you see. So let's see what the outcome is going to be. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let me just make it one lot size. Let me add 2 more positions so that it will be one lot size. It will be one lot size, guys. All right. Okay, I still have some pending positions, so let me just leave it like that in case it comes back to trigger all these pending positions. So at that time, it will have entered one lot size. So let's see what the position will give to us. This is the challenge, and let's see what the outcome will be in maybe 24-48 hours time. All right, guys. Guys, look at stop hunt. This hour of the day, 4:30 a.m. See stop hunt. My God, but I love this kind of stop hunts because it helped me. They help me to just trigger a very good position here, like very good position. In fact, I think I should enter one more position. See stop hunt. Jesus Christ. That's my position. Why is my destiny hanging? I love this kind of stop hunt. So let me enter one more position. Share some more. Yeah, don't forget, I want to use this pair to meet up with my target, and no matter what, I cannot see. I'm telling you, I cannot get to that daily limit. I can't get there. No, at all. So let's see what happens, guys. Let's see what happens with this account. This is what is called all in trade. All in trade. But let's see what happens. Let's see what the outcome will be. But mind you, the stop hunt is for this liquidity level. Yeah, I spotted it long. That's why my zone was actually here. That's why my zone was here. But sometimes price may not want to get to this zone before it will reverse. That's why I entered on this position. So this liquidity, immediately I spotted the liquidity level that's set here. This liquidity level here. This double arrows. There's double wicks that you are seeing here. So I just need to do a stop hunt to come and clear the liquidity level here, and that is what just happened. So I'm not amazed. So the way it went like this, the way it's going to come back like that. So that's just it, guys. So let's see what the outcome of this trade will be. I want to go and sleep right now. Oh my God, I've been in front of screen, like, actually not because of trade. My trading cannot keep me in front of screen. I only spend a few minutes in front of screen. If my setup is there, I will know. If it's not there, I will know. So I don't have time to waste on looking for trades. But that's by the way. Let's see what the outcome of this trade will be. Yeah, guys, you can see the breakout. That is what we have been waiting for. It has happened. All I need now is just once it's 8 p.m. This is 7:47. Once it's 8 p.m. I want this candle to close below this trend line here. So after that, I will wait for a retest, and we are going to bounce down. Is there anything like bounce down? So let's wait and see what the market is going to deliver for us, guys. But you know what? Before we continue, let me close my trades because I have to close this with having what is it called, 11,000, nothing less than 11,000. So let me close my this trading now, and like anything can happen. So let me close my trades first. Let me close my trades on the two accounts. Let me close my trades first. And don't forget this trade right here. I showed us how I got 600 plus pips on this trade, how I got 600 plus pips on this trade, and this one how I got 300 plus pips on this trade, and this one that is currently running, running right now. So I'm going to show us everything. So just let me close my trades first, and we can see how far that the the trade is just increasing, like it's just going, like it's going a wire, like but notwithstanding, let me just close this, so that's let me just close this right now. Let me close this right now. Where am I starting from, sir? Let's start from small to high. Yeah, so let me close some of these trades right now. All right, that was this trade earlier. This trade gave me like it gave me stop hunts, but when I saw the opportunity to enter, I entered again, guys. I entered again. Like it gave me stop hunts, but now it's a success story. It's a success story, guys. Yeah. Let me pause the video. Yeah, guys, hello guys, here this is your guy Michael, and just as I told us, now this is just one pair, one trade, and I use this to pass FTMO challenge. You can see it's 10,000 account, and I'm meant to make what is called 10% profit of that account, and we can see it right here. It passed. I actually passed 3 different accounts. With this trade, and it's because I knew this trade is going to deliver very well, and we can see how that is delivered. Like it's delivered aggressively. This is the kind of thing we do, and this is not. I'm not the only one that actually got this kind of massive trade, because my mentees also benefited from this. Yeah. You can see some of them dropping their charts with a massive peep right here. And you can see some of them just the way they enjoyed the 680 pips on GJ. You can see 147 pips on UJ, 147 pips on UJ, and all that. And this guy here used the UJ to pass his what is it called, his Blue FX account. Yes, to pass his Blue FX account. Yeah. So if you really want to enjoy things like this, if you really want to know how to pass easily the strategy that I use, my own personal strategy, just join my mentorship program and you know more about this. And if you don't have enough to join my mentorship program, just go through my YouTube channel, go to the YouTube channel and what is called the YouTube channel playlist. Yes, go through my playlist, you will understand better, you will get many things to add value to you. Yes, you will get many things to add value to you. Yeah, so let me show you some other challenge that I took. But before that, the most important thing, let me close my trades, guys. I don't want to hear this particular story. I don't want to hear story that touches. Yeah, I don't want to hear stories that touch. So let me close my trades right now. Okay. All right. So I only need 100 to complete this thing. So see what I'm going to do here. I'm going to take partials. All right, I'm going to take partials, close profit. So I'm closing my profit with $100. Here I see I've closed my profits right now. So what am I going to do if I want to allow this trade just to run? So I'm going to say 134.830. That's 6 pips right there. 830. Yeah. All right, so it can never go against me. And my profit is already secured. So that is wisdom. So nothing that will happen here, nothing that is going to happen here will affect my account. Yeah, nothing that is going to happen here will affect my account. And I can easily delete all these pending orders. I don't need them again. I've achieved what I wanted to achieve on this account. Everything has been achieved. So I just want to see a plain chart and something running for me. All right, guys. So this is it. My stop loss. Why is it not showing very well? Let me put it here. 134.512. Stop loss 134.512. 512. Yeah, that's it, guys. That's it, guys. So even if I'm sleeping, I know this has already been what, this has already been passed. Yeah, so this is another account. I think I don't need this trade again, even though I know it's still going to come back to be profit, but I think I don't need it again. This account has been passed already. This challenge has been passed, so I'm going to close my profits right now. I'm going to close my profit right now. So I don't need that trade again. I don't need it again. The reason why I entered the trade has been fulfilled. So this is another account. This is another account right here. This is another account right here. So you can see it is very easy to pass all these challenges if you know how to go about it. Yeah, this is the third account. Now we can see I entered multiple trades here, and this trade is currently 700 plus pips right now, like 700 plus pips right now, like this GJ. It's 700 plus pips right now, and you can see my UJ is also doing well, and this one is doing well also. It's 300 plus pips right now. It's 300 plus pips right now. Yeah, so all my trades are doing well. So for you to trade like this, you know that you must have a strategy that is working for you. You must have a strategy that is working for you. If you don't have a strategy that is working for you, there's no way you can actually trade like this. See, from up to down, that is 314 pips. So it's currently it has gone. I mean, it has gone 340 pips. It has gone 314 pips. So to pass all these accounts, it's just more thing. Just more thing. I have some of my mentees that have been passing all their accounts and like passing challenges and passing all these pro firms and account, their challenge and everything. So if you really want to know how to do this, subscribe to my mentorship, and everything is going to be covered. Everything, the strategy and everything we teach you will help you to maximize your trade, and you'll be able to make money for yourself, guys. You'll be able to make money for yourself. Yeah, so let's go into the real thing about what's prop firm, what's up about FTMO and other prop firm that I'm going to recommend on the comments, or on the comment section, or on the description of this video. So let's get into the real deal, guys.